Hello, welcome to IABM TV. I'm Stuart Ray, I'm the Head of Skills and Development for the IABM. Joined on the couch this time by Kevin Salvidge.
Hello there.
The Sales Engineering Manager for Leader.
Thank you for having us here at IBC 2023.
You are very, very welcome. So, having visited the Leader Fabrics stand in Hall 10 here at IBC, it's clear that both companies are continuing to develop SDI-based test and measurement products. Now, is this being driven by customer demand?
Everything we do is driven by our customers. Yes, there is an adoption for IP 2110, and at this show I think we've seen a huge uptake in interest. There is a huge appetite, but they need information. This is quite a sea change in their approach, but very few customers will have the luxury of switching off their SDI facility and moving down the road to a completely IP one. And even those that may have that have still got SDI video in that. And to be honest, you know, we're seeing people still use it. They're still building systems based around SDI because of security, reliability. So, I'll say something that will probably stick by me, but I reckon we could see SDI around for another 10 years in this industry because it's proven, it's reliable and it's trusted.
Well, we'll look into that at IBC 2033, shall we?
Yes, if I'm still...
if we're still around.
Yeah.
I see that Leader has added JPEG-XS support to the True Hybrid IP and SDI waveform monitor and rasterizer, the LV5600 and LV7600. What challenges does JPEG-XS bring to broadcasters? Well,
anything that reduces the bandwidth of a transmission signal is of interest. Obviously, we have an example on our stand of a -20 stream, so that's uncompressed, running round at around about 1.3 gig. Yet the equivalent JPEG-XS is 156 meg. So it's low latency, it's lossless, and it's going to offer broadcasters a considerable saving on their contribution and distribution routes as we go forward. The challenge we probably all face at the moment is it's new. We're all at different stages of that evolution. So having a test and measurement product that you can trust and rely on is vital. And along with its analysing capabilities, we also have the ability to generate a test pattern. So that's quite useful within a facility or a contribution or distribution circuit where you can send that signal out, loop it wherever it's going to and bring it back, and then vary the compression ratio of JPEG-XS so that you can then publish to anybody who's supplying you content a deliverable specification. And we also have the ability then to go into the packet header information. So if somebody says, oh yes, I am delivering it, we can send it back to them and say, well no you're not, because the packet header says that the compression is outside of the specification. So I think we all have a lot to learn, but we're coming to the market with a tried and tested product, and at the same time we can also monitor the SDI signal and the -20 signal and -22, because the likelihood is that the JPEG-XS will have originated in one of those somewhere, and it allows you to very easily identify if there's a problem with your JPEG-XS stream.
Okay, so you're also showcasing live cloud production this year. What challenges do you find customers who are using the cloud in live production environments? How are they coping? What challenges?
I think the big challenge we've heard from this show is that until they've visited the Leader booth, they've not seen a set of test and measurement tools that bear any resemblance to what their operational and production staff use on premise. And by that I'm talking about the basic tools: picture, waveform, vector. You know, it doesn't matter where this content lives. To retain the artistic intent of that picture, you need to be able to monitor those tools. And I've had many people at the show say to me, this is the first time they've seen like a waveform, a vector display. Also, we're now showing the ancillary data, and we're displaying it in exactly the same format as it would be with SDI video, so ST352. It's in the same format. You look at it, you're going to know that's the wrong aspect ratio, that's the wrong colour imagery, all of those types of things. So we're getting a lot of interest in that, but then there is also a whole new set of tools that come in that you've got to monitor flow data, path delay, but we have it here on the stand. We're connected to an Amazon Web Service system that actually we're running out of Tokyo for here for the show, and come over and have a look. It's really exciting to see that the tools that we've grown up with on premise, right the way back from analog video, are still available and they are still relevant even in the world of live cloud production.
Great stuff, thank you very much. So people can visit you in Hall 10, as we said.
Yep.
But outside of the show,
so if you want any more information, you can visit our website, which is www.leader.co.jp/en. And as I said, if you're here at the show, please pop round, say hello. We'd very much like to see you. And also, we have a YouTube channel that is full of videos about this type of information. So that's Leader Europe on YouTube. And thank you for having us here today, and wish you a successful show.
Thank you very much. Kevin Salvidge, thank you very much. That's it from IABM TV for now. See you next time.